In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Rakuten to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the Rakuten Cashback extension installed and pinned so it's always visible when you shop. This is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through each part with clear explanations. Start by opening Google Chrome. We're going to the Chrome Web Store, which is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions. In the address bar at the top, type chrome.google.com web store and press enter. This ensures you're getting the extension from a trusted, secure source. Once the store loads, look for the search bar in the top left area. Type Rakuten Cashback and press enter. You'll see a list of results. Find the official Rakuten extension in the results list. To be confident you've got the right one, check that the name clearly says Rakuten Cashback and review the publisher details and user ratings. Choosing the official extension is important for both performance and security. Click the extensions listing to open its details page. On that page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click it. A confirmation box will pop up explaining the permissions the extension needs to work, like reading and changing data on sites you visit so it can detect eligible cashback offers. Review the message and then click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. You may see a brief notification in the top right corner letting you know it's been added, and sometimes a new tab opens with a quick introduction or sign-in page. Next, let's make sure the Rakuten icon is easy to find every time you browse. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the small puzzle piece icon, which opens the extensions menu. Look for Rakuten in that list, and then click the pin icon next to it. As soon as you pin it, the Rakuten logo will appear on your toolbar, so it's always one click away. Before you start shopping, sign into your Rakuten account so the extension can track your cash back properly. If the icon ever seems to disappear or stop working, visit Chrome/extensions in your address bar and make sure the extension is enabled. And remember, only install from the official Chrome Web Store to keep your browser secure. That's it. You've installed Rakuten, pinned it for quick access, and you're ready to earn cash back while you browse.